In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create client list in ClickUp. If you're looking to organize your clients in a clear, professional way inside ClickUp, this walkthrough will get you set up quickly and confidently. We'll start from the main app and end with your very first client entry, so you can begin tracking relationships, follow-ups, and work in one place. First, open ClickUp. You can use the web app or desktop app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want this list to live. If you have multiple teams or businesses in ClickUp, choosing the right workspace now keeps everything tidy later. Next, click on the space where you want your client list to be created. A space is the top-level area for a team or function, like sales, operations, or client success. Pick the space that naturally owns client management so your teammates know exactly where to look. Inside that space, look for the plus icon. This is your quick action button for adding new items. Click it to open the creation options. If you don't see it right away, hover over the sidebar or the space header. It's typically within reach in the main navigation. From the Creation menu, choose Lists. A list is a flexible container for tasks, and it's perfect for clients because each client can be a task with details, comments, and attachments. Selecting lists ensures you're building a dedicated place just for client records, not mixing them into unrelated work. When prompted, give your list a clear name. Type Client. Many teams prefer something like Clients or Client List for clarity, but keeping it simple works great. A consistent naming convention helps everyone find it fast and keeps your sidebar organized. Click Create to finalize the list. In a moment, you'll see your new client list added to the space. This is your hub for client tracking. You can switch views later, filter by status, and share access with your team as needed. Now add a task to begin populating your list. Think of each task as one client. Give the task the client's name as the title. In the description, you can add context like services, notes from discovery calls, or key milestones. If you already use assignees or due dates, those can help indicate account owners and upcoming touchpoints. You can always refine details later. What matters is getting your first client in so the list becomes actionable. And that's it. You've opened ClickUp, selected your space, created a list named Client, and added your first client as a task. Save your progress, and you're ready to build a dependable, centralized client tracker your whole team can trust.